Chevy Suburban, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your display brightness. So first you want to check over here for this little slider here turns it brighter or lower. As you can see, as I'm turning it up and down, up and down. Also worth checking up here, make sure you don't have anything covering the dashboard, because there's sensors that indicate if it's daytime or nighttime for light that's coming through the glass, and that connects with your vehicle computer. That'll let it know, hey, you need to turn brighter or darker based on the light outside. And again, yep, just turn in with this. If these functions aren't working after you've done both those, maybe first double check all your fuses and circuits, make sure nothing needs replaced. And if all else fails, you may need to address your computer that controls the system. Might need some sort of a reset or flash. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.